video, I will show you how you can buy domain name for your business to create a website with it. Always buy domain name based on your business, brandability, and its simplicity to remember and use it for your business. Let's see steps to buy the domain name. First, look for a popular domain registrar like GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost, or any other domain name seller. I am using GoDaddy Domain Registrar. In Domain Registrar site, search for your domain name if it's available. Like this. We can buy the domain name if it's available, or if it's not available we can search for different extensions. If we want a domain name with .com extension and it's not available, try to search for any other extensions, like .net, .org, or .us, or .ai, whichever is available, and aligns with our business. In my case, I want to buy alpdesk.com to use it for my business. And the domain name is available. We can add to the cart and buy it. If we wish we can buy protection for the domain from hackers and some extra security. As well as buy email account options to receive and send emails with the domain name purchased. I want to buy only the domain name, no protection or email account needed right now. Next, we can continue with the payment page. The domain names for any activity or business can be bought for a period of 1 year or more, but cannot buy the domain forever. We need to keep renewing it every year, or as long as we want to use it. Next, we can continue with the payment, where we can buy the domain name with either the PayPal account if we have PayPal account. Or we can make payment with credit card by giving all the personal details to take the ownership of the domain in our name. Once we have made payments for the domain name, an email for the same will be sent to our registered email account with the domain name login details to use it for our website. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.